Never been broke, never been what? Never been regular, never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird. Bust down rollin', bust down bird. 100 on tour, 100 on drum. Arcade know me, arcade know me. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Whoa, whoa, war shit on. Nah, nah, nigga, I'm telling you, nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular, never been regular. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Whoa, drippin' this honey, I feel like I'm winning.
All right, bro, let's go. We're gonna go pick up. We're gonna go pick up the sergeant at arms. We're gonna go pick up his new dually at the Dodge dealership.
Get rid of calm. Hey, you gotta say that bit.
Boy, I gotta get me another freaking screen, boy.
Huh?
I gotta get me another screen for my truck.
You good? Chill out. You can't do nothing without my vape though.
Okay. I'm talking about you just gonna go up 2 more inches. You're just looking for an excuse to get bigger.
Why not?
Yeah, yeah. God damn. That bitch do it too. What is this? The Outback?
Nope, this is a Volkswagen Jetta Sportwagon TDI. Diesel. Because I'm not really a big audio person like that.
Me neither.
You just wanted to. What you mean you not really?
Huh?
What you mean not really? Yes, you
I didn't even say not really. I said me neither.
Hey, Corey, you actually be proud of him because I made him into the audio competition one time at a show. And you didn't get into one?
He did.
Yeah, and he finally got his first audio trophy. Oh, shit. He's about to get another one. A lot better one. You made a custom box? Nah, God damn. That's the one that we loaded.
Yeah.
I made that.
But he made that one
So
though.
I got a question.
Because he's got.
Why are you so worried about a back seat?
Well, this is temporary because once he gonna build another one for this.
Oh my goodness. What's up?
He's got a stunt wall now. For just speakers.
Oh, you talking about the,
speakers and tweeters.
This comes from a person that's not really big into audio.
Huh?
Kid is a beast.
Whoa. Nah, nah. Alright. We been them nicks. We been them nicks. Nigga, I'm telling you. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been broke. Never been what? Never been regular. Never been regular. Iced out chain. Iced out bird. Bust down rollin'. Bust down bird. 100 on Jordan. 100 on Jordan. Arcade know me. Arcade know me. War shit on. 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 Whoa, whoa. War shit on. Nah, nah. Nigga, I'm telling you. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular. Never been regular. War shit on. War shit on. War shit on. War shit on. Whoa. Drippin' this honey, I feel like I'm winning. I got your bitch on that island like Jimmy. Beamer gon' make sure we get in this city. I lead the traffic, go holla at Vinny. Oh my God, what happened to Kai? Chubby with money, they calling me Ty. I'ma go spend me some money today. They 20 pointers, they sunny is made. Tanner out roll with a limp. Post up on 20 with pimp. If it ain't war on my feet.
Oh, she didn't bring a kid up?
No, she's definitely a grown woman. That is not a kid.
Do you have clothes for the little one?
She's soaking wet?
She's peed.
She peed?
Yeah.
I don't.
You don't? I might gonna find something.
Just put her in a trash bag.
What? The whole kid? Throw the whole kid away.
Close the top. Tie it up nice and tight.
Put it in the curb. Is it trash day?
Fucking horrible people.
I'm so thick at.
Yeah, you see what happened, right? I had to run 2 sets of 0 gauge.
Why?
You know why?
No.
Because I didn't know that your amp had 2 positives and 2 negatives.
Why does it have 2?
Because it needs that much power.
Okay, so do I have enough? Do I need to get some other shit?
Do you not see your lights flashing?
No, I wasn't looking. So yeah, what do I need? Another alternator?
No, you're just gonna have to upgrade your batteries at some point, or we're gonna have to put you another battery in the back.
Okay.
But for now, you're good.
Okay. Yeah.
So it won't turn off on me?
No.
Why you acting like that? That's not even necessary.
Man, if my shit hasn't turned off yet, his is nowhere near to turn it off.
But yeah.
So
That's where I'm at in the build.
I dropped down to 10 or 11 volts on mine.
So I need another battery. God damn. That bitch dropping.
Yes, it's safe to say, nigga, I spent your budget on it. Ran off on the floor twice. He started calling, I ain't calling back. He said he gets me on his last hour. Give him about $100.